Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I am working with the Magic Pour, and we're going to make little magnets out of these little flip-flops I just got. I can't wait to try it. I want to see how they turn out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some of my Magic Pour, and we'll take it from there. And it's 3-to-1. So, by weight, I'm going to go, there, we're at 3. 3. Let's tear it. This will be 1. There we go. Well, I got my whisk to stir it with to make it a little easier this time. Oh, wow, whisk works much better. Look at that. Get this out of the way. And now Magic Pour, you don't have a lot of time to work with it, but you do have some. It's nice and watery. Let's go ahead and mix some colors in it. Scrape the bottom. I'm going to start with the sapphire blue. I'm using my alcohol inks. I just got them off of Temu. I'm not sure what company they're from, but we're going to do a couple of drops of blue. See how this turns out. Just stir it a little bit. I don't think this alcohol ink works too well with the pour here. I'm going to add some of this red. Give it a little stir. Well, I had enough for 2. That blue didn't want to work with those others. That's okay. I have a tiny bit left, but that's not enough for both of those. So let me mix a little bit more, and I will be right back to you. Well, I'm going to try a little bit of this blue because I can't find my, oops, didn't mean to go so much. I can't find my alcohol ink right now other than this. That's okay. A little bit better in here. Maybe that'll work. Let's go ahead and pour these. These look like they might be all right. And I have absolutely none left. So we're going to go ahead and tap these. And these, I went and got these little crosses too. I got some new little cross molds. These are so cute. But okay, we're gonna wait till these cure. And when they do, I will be back to demold them. It'll probably be about a half an hour or so. These are cured enough to take out of the mold. I'm gonna start with these cute little crosses that I made. I just had a little bit of extra, so I just poured it in these two. These are cute. I like them. I like these little cross molds. Okay, here we go. We're gonna gently pop them out of there. Ooh, I like that. These are gonna make some darn cute little magnets. They got a little bit of color to some of them. Ooh, I like that. All right, there. All right. I'm gonna let these fully dry, and then I'm probably gonna do something with these two right here. But these are so adorable. I may just put some varnish on them and be done with the put a magnet on the back side of it. Those are beautiful. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let these completely cure, and I'll be back to you when they're ready for the next step. All right, I had my daughter go ahead and paint these up. As you can see, some of them look like they're really summery things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fix these I got little nail stickers, and I was just going to put some on. Um, get these off the back here. These are just some nail stickers I picked up back when I used to do hair. I'd go to the hair show. But I think my daughter did an amazing job on this paint scheme. These aren't going to work. I've got another idea. These look horrible. I got a better idea. These are just some rhinestone that I got off of Temu. See, it's got sticky ums. So we'll just do this instead. That's much prettier. There we go. What do you think? Much faster, too. I'm just pulling the stickums off the back. Or the sticking, the paper off the back. So it has those on there. And then lining them on there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Much better, much better. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I thought about dipping them, but it'll be kind of thick and I won't have anything to hang on to. So, oh, this is what my daughter, she loves doing those flowers. That's like her favorite flower to do. So I had her do it. Anyway, back to what I was thinking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my UV resin dip resin and I'm just going to brush it on so it's nice and thick. And I'm going to start on the back side. Actually, I'm going to start on the front side. And I'm just going to brush around it to protect it. Because I made some crosses out of this stuff right here. And what the crosses had done, which, yeah, the crosses dropped and I broke it. So I did glue it back together, but they broke. So they're very fragile. These are going to be turned into magnets. So I want to make sure they have a nice coating of UV resin on it, so they won't be quite as fragile. And I'm using dip resin because it's thicker and I think it'll work better. But okay, so you see what I've done here. So I'm going to finish all these up and I'm going to put them under the light. And then I will be back to you once these are all brushed on like that. And I'll show you about the magnets. I'm going to do the backs as well. So I'll be back in just a little bit. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put these magnets on the back of these sandals. And then I'll put the flowers on the top of them. Okay? I'm going to put 2 magnets on each one because they're a little bit heavy. These magnets are always fun to get off. Oopsie. Okay, get this out of the way. Strong little magnets. Okay. I'm going to go with 1 on each one first. And pull them apart so they don't get they don't attack one another. Because if you put these close enough to one another, they will come after one another. They'll move. So you don't want to get them too close. I'm just using some of my B7000 to put these on. So when I get done with these, I will come back. I'm going to do the tops and then I'm going to come back and do the bottoms. Well, I've got all the magnets glued on the back. And they're all nice and shiny. I've got the flowers glued on. They're just been glued on by E6000 with the magnets on the back. So these will be some pretty magnets. I will take some pictures to get them up for you so you can see how pretty they look. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating and keep pouring. Bye for now.